Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Pack. The topic today we will cover is about the animal cell. Today we will study about the parts and functions of the animal cell. So let's move towards the objectives of our today's video. So at the end of the lesson or at the end of the lecture or video, you all, I mean students, you all will able to learn about the definition and the description of cell, and you will able to label the parts of the animal cells, and you will able to identify the functions of that each labeled part. So let's get started. Before getting started, you should know that what we are going to cover in this video. So first of all, I will tell you about the definition of the cell. Then I will tell you that what is the animal cell. And after that, I will tell you the parts of the organelles of animal cells and its functions. So let's cover our first topic, which is definition of a cell. So what is a cell? So actually a cell is a small compartment that holds all the biological equipment necessary to keep an organism alive. And you all know that cells togetherly form tissue, tissues togetherly formed organ, and then organ form organ system, and eventually from organ systems different organ systems combine to form an organism. So students, let's move towards our topic number 2, which is animal cell. So animal cell, before getting to this topic deeper, you should know that what is eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So students, eukaryotes are the living organisms that have nucleus, but prokaryotes are the living organisms that don't have nucleus. So animal cells are the eukaryotic cells. It means that they will have a nucleus. So they are eukaryotic cells with the relatively large cells with a nucleus and specialized structures that will called as organelles. So students, now let's move towards our third topic, which is parts and its functions. So first of all, it's about cell membrane. So cell membrane is surrounded around the cell, and it is responsible for the regulation of is allowed to come inside the cell and what is allowed to go outside of the cell. Then we have nucleus. So nucleus contains most of the cell's genetic material, and it is also known as control system of the cell. And the majority of the nucleus is filled with the chromatins, which condensed into the chromosomes during the cell division. The next one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is an organelle of a cell that forms a network of membranes. They are very important for many cellular processes, for example protein productions, because of having the ribosomes on them. What are ribosomes? You should watch another video for that. Okay, the next one is mitochondria. So mitochondria are the one of the most important organelle of the all. So their role is to produce energy, currency, which is ATP, through the respiration process. And both respiration processes, aerobically and anaerobically, you should have knowledge about them. Next one is very important one, digestive enzymes which contain, and that is called lysosomes. So lysosomes are actually the stomach of the cell, and stomach actually digested the waste or food. So, similarly, lysosomes' role is to break down the waste materials and the cellular debris for the cell. The next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is another set of membranes just like the endoplasmic reticulum that serves an important functions, for example modifying protein and transporting substances out of the cell. The next one is centrioles. Centrioles are the hollow tubes that give organelle its shape, and the main function of the centriole is in the cell division, which is to help chromosomes move inside the cell. The next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles are enclosed in compartments that are actually filled with water. It also contains organic and inorganic compounds. Thank you so much, my dear students. I hope that today's objectives of this video are cleared and are completed successfully. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for the new more like these videos, and like the video and share it with your friends so that they can also get to know about these organelles, animal cell, and about cells. So keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.